Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Today we are going to do a good old-fashioned thrift haul and try on, of course. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna start off with some of the stuff that I got from the outlet. Today was $2 day. I have some stuff that I got on a different day. I think it was $1 day, but I'll let you know the difference. This is from the outlet today for $2 day. It's like a poet blouse. It is the brand Toxic, and I know that these are coming back in style now, so I figured I would pick up one and try it out again. I just like the little high-low peplum on it, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so next up for $1 I got these kind of pale, very pale yellow, almost like in between cream and yellow pants, and they are a kind of a straight leg pant. They're not wide, but they're straight leg, and I've been wanting some yellow pants. I actually want more of a lemon yellow. I'm still on the hunt for that, but I found these for $1, so I said I would try these out and see if they would work for my spring wardrobe. The brand on these is Virtue, and they are a size 10. I hope I tried them on, but if not, I can always take them in. Okay, so next up I just got some super huge sports pants, not to wear but to reuse for something. I really like this red and blue stripe on the side, so if I don't do anything but reuse the red and blue stripe, I will be happy with that $2 purchase. So, but I'm sure I'll use the fabric as well, and so I don't know what they'll be yet, but if you are seeing this video, you know, later on, you know me, it could turn out to be anything, but we'll see. Next up for $1 I got this Old Navy green sweater, and it's just, it has a little, kind of like this one, the ribbing on it. This is a little bit of a larger ribbing, but of course my favorite color is green, and I just decided to give away a green sweater that I wasn't really wearing, so I decided I would try this one out and see if I would wear it more than I did that one. So we will see. Okay, so next up for $2 I got these very interesting kind of like camo jogger pants with black splotches all over them, but I just thought they were cool and interesting. They have like a cinched like side, I guess, so they stay up on your leg, and then they're also elastic at the ankle, gathered at the ankle. But I just thought that these would be really cool. I mean, they're my style, let's just be honest. They are my style. Okay, so next up I got this really nice sweater, and the brand is Moss and Hoffman, and it's navy blue, which of course I love, and it's a big fit. It definitely is a pretty big fit for me, but I like the oversized nature of it. I like how kind of like see-through it is a little bit, but I just like the style of this sweater. It has the big cuffs, big armbands, and then the waistband is cinched, so I think this is going to be really cool to, you know, kind of finish out the winter and begin the spring with. So this again was $2. Okay, so the last thing for $2 is these really cool retro shorts, and they're like the pleated shorts, like kind of the preppy shorts that came with this belt, all for $2. I'll probably put a nicer belt because this is just like a really plastic belt, and I have really nice belts that I've thrifted, but I just think that these will be really cute because it kind of gives off a skirt look, but I in my normal everyday, like running with the kids, I don't wear skirts that often, so I thought that this would be a really cool alternative to that when I want to get the skirt look. And these are the brand Sag Harbor, which is no surprise. I see this a lot at the outlet. So yep, navy blue. Okay, so now let's get into the Buffalo Exchange stuff. I had an epiphany, and I don't know why I didn't think of it earlier. You guys know that every once in a while I'll go to Buffalo Exchange when I feel like, you know, getting something that I don't have to upcycle, or I just refuse to upcycle because it's not like $1 or 50 cents. So Buffalo Exchange is a consignment shop, but I've never sold stuff to them because, and the reason I haven't is because I don't particularly buy name brands. Like I don't care about what brand something is. And so a lot of these consignment shops, they care so much about brands that if it's not a certain brand, they just won't look at it. But Buffalo Exchange is actually not like that. They care more about what's in, what the style is, what's current, and if they can sell it. So I had some pieces that I set aside from my Con Marie clear out, and I said I'm going to take these to Buffalo Exchange and just see what happens. So I went today. The guy was like, oh, you know, you have some really good pieces, so, you know, pump me up a little bit. But I ended up getting $72, and I didn't even take that much stuff. $72 in store credit. So, and I went to shop anyway, so I was able to shop pretty much for free today. So I was so excited about that. So I'm gonna show you my accessories first. I got the cutest earrings. They are really cool. And these were $7.50. They're just basically a hoop within a hoop. And these style of earrings are really cool. And actually I got these from Plato's Closet. So check your like consignment shops. Plato's Closet and Style Encore, Buffalo Exchange have been on point with earrings that like current earrings. Like I've been going to other places and I haven't been able to find like the lucite and stuff like that, but they are on point right now with those. So I just thought that these would be really cute. And I got these wild earrings. They have like just a clear disc on the bottom and a gold plate. And I just thought that that would be really cool because it just really looks like you just have this until somebody gets close and they see this. So I just thought that that was something cool and different. I haven't worn huge earrings in so long, but I'm excited to try that style again and for not that much money at all. Okay, so next up for $15, I found these pants and they're just Forever 21. But the reason I got them is because they feel very casual, they're very comfortable, but they have like a little bit of something going on with them, so that on days when I just don't feel like it, I can throw these on and still look cute even though I feel comfortable. Like that's like what everybody wants, you know, look cute but feel comfortable at the same time. Then next up is kind of the same style pants but more sporty, and I actually got these in the men's section and I just really like these. These are so cool. They have the black and white and red going on with them, and white stripe down the side, the zippers on the pockets, the ankles actually have zippers as well. So I really like these, and again, that's one of those things where I can just throw a t-shirt on with these and still look cute and go out, and no matter how crappy I feel, I can still look great and not have to worry about it. Oh, and these are the brand Crisp Denim, and they were $17. Okay, so we're getting to my absolute favorites, and one of them is this jumper, and it is completely leopard print, but it's more, to me it's more subtle because the background color is this, I guess it's kind of like a brown but almost like an orangey brown. But I like the neckline of it. You could wear it over a t-shirt or not and still, you know, be comfortable with that. It has a little belt, but I may use a different belt, I don't know. So I am excited to style this. The brand is Luca, and it was $27.50. Okay, so last up is my very favorite item, and it is a boiler suit, a one-piece, all-in-one piece suit. It has like a tapered leg, and it's green, and it has a double rope tie in the middle, which I love this. I have a belt like this, and I really like this. What's going on? Oh, and I really like this. So they actually had this in 2 sizes. I tried on the medium and it wasn't fitting right at the top, so I was like, I don't even want to try on that small because it's gonna be too small for my behind. But I tried it on and it actually looked good, so I'm so excited that I was able to get this. It was $31.50, and I think that these are definitely going to be in. Like, so if you see one at a thrift store and you like it, get it, because you will be seeing these. You will be seeing these in stores more often coming up, if not this year, then next year. So I am so excited to have this. You guys already know I have a short set that I love that I got from Buffalo Exchange, so I'm glad to have this in my wardrobe. So that is all that I got for today, or within the last few days. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Definitely check out some of my other thrift hauls. Some of them, especially some of the come thrift with me, those are kind of hilarious because I let you into my thrift thoughts, like what I'm thinking as I'm thrifting, which, you know, can kind of be a little bit sarcastic. But definitely subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.